It's inside. It's the S11UR. New style design. Unique line texture. Lighting design. Very light, very good feel. 1800 mAh battery. Portable storage bag. Convenient folding design. As for its performance, now, just take a test. One-click takeoff. Intelligent flight control system. It can steer hammer stably in high altitude. Open app. Equipped with an electric camera. What you see is the details. Automatic braking. Novices can fly safely. Try Smart Follow. Speed gear advanced mode. Gesture photography and video recording. Trajectory flight. 360 stunt roll. One touch landing. This is the S11UR.